Hey, what's going on guys, it's Kimini here, and today we're going to be unboxing and doing a first impressions video for the Tecno Spark 3. And so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. So as the custom has been lately, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the unboxing experience of the Tecno Spark 3. Opening the box for the first time, you get to see the device itself, a power brick, a USB cable, and the Tecno earphones. Also a layer down are the paperwork, a plastic case, the warranty stickers, and a plastic glass protector. Now we've gotten those out of the way, this device has its buttons to the right side, just like we saw in the Infinix Hot 7. While there are no buttons at the other side, the bottom features the micro USB 2.0 port and the mouthpiece opening, while the top has a port for the 3.5mm jack for your earphones. Taking a look at the front reveals a 6.2-inch HD Plus display at a 1500 by 720 resolution and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash. The LED flash on the front of this device doubles as a notification LED and a selfie flash. Flipping this device around reveals the single camera setup spec'd at 13 megapixels, an LED flash, Tecno branding, and the loudspeaker opening at the bottom of the rear. This rear also, which is made of plastic, so looks amazingly cool with the glitters as can be seen, and houses the fingerprint sensor for security. Speaking of security, there's face unlock feature also on the Tecno Spark 3. Booting the smartphone for the first time reveals the device runs on Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, obviously as a result of the 1GB RAM it features. This variant right here has a 16GB internal memory and is dual SIMmed. It also features a 3500 mAh battery and a 1.3 GHz quad-core chipset. So far so good. The bezel seems a little smaller than what we've seen previously on this brand, and the device feels smooth in operations, all thanks to Android Go. The notches seen on this display could be hidden via your settings, and I went in that direction with my units. Colors on the display are quite vibrant and I love them so far, but I'll be giving my detailed opinion on it in my full review. The camera on the other hand features the beauty, night, normal, and video modes, more on those also in the full review. So far, the device looks amazing, especially coming at the price point of 33,500 naira, of which I got this unit. But is the operation of the Tecno Spark 3 even worth your consideration or money? Kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon to stay notified when we upload the full review of the Tecno Spark 3 on this channel. Other than that, it's goodbye and I'ma catch you in the next one. Cuidate.